So I was just watching Sean the Drone do FPV Friday with his new Neo 2. And at the end of his video, right before he said, there'll be another video coming around sooner, I commented that it was on the truck. Mine was on the truck, and I was waiting for the doorbell to ring. And as soon as I pushed comment, I heard a commotion at the front door. And this was waiting for me, and I still had time to thank the UPS guy. Thank him very, very much. And I think I'm going to open my box on the floor. The DJI Neo 2. Oh. I love getting a new drone. I love getting a new DJI drone. This is the 4th DJI drone I've got. I've gotten the Mini Pro 4 or the Mini 4 Pro. I've got the Avata 2. And I got the original Neo, which I almost didn't want to buy, which I almost didn't buy, which I use the most and love the most because it's easy and it's fun. And I'm terribly excited for this one. And my plan is to buy one more before the 23rd of December. Whether that be the Avata 360 or the Mini 5 Pro or the one that I most considered but cost the most, and it's not the Maverick 4, it would be the Air 3S. I think the Air 3S might be a better choice than the Mini 5 Pro. The Mini 5 Pro, however, is more affordable. Okay. Oh, I love opening it. I love opening it. This packaging is not as fine as we're used to. There you go. And filling out my fly more. I'm touching it. It's here. This is my Neo 2. Her name is Kiki. Me, Kiki. I always name my drones. I always make a logo. I will have a logo. The logo will go on the batteries along with the battery number and my registration number, and I'll put a tiny DD Fellow sticker on the front here. I already planned all that out, just watching all the videos about this drone. There's the buttons. They look smaller than on YouTube. These are flexible, tightly applied. See how fiddly it is to get the battery out. It'll take a little bit of thrust. One popped right in. 2 bars. I always struggle a little bit with the gimbal covers. That's different than the Neo. bottom in, hook the top in, then hook the bottom in. That wasn't so bad. Looks pretty good in my goggles. I'm going to get away from the signal a little bit here. Oh, we're doing pretty good. Feet. It's time to get a HD signal instead of interference. Turn back towards the home point. Wow. It's kind of beautiful. Kind of a good first flight. I've always had a hard time getting all the way to that park. There's one big tree. This doesn't feel like the Neo. The picture's so much better. Normal mode, I'm getting 17 miles an hour. 17 miles an hour is what you get with the Avata. Normal mode, 18 miles an hour. Look at the wind at my back. That's where the Neo one only gets about 12 miles an hour in normal mode. Lower. Interference is worse. The signal gets worse. I don't want to return to home. 39 is not low battery. Backyard. It's still not, in my opinion, low battery.